Hi, my name is Dan Winterland, President and founder of HuntTheNorth.com. Since 2003, we've been adamantly researching out the top upland bird hunting adventures across North America. In Saskatchewan, we exclusively endorse Dave Ciani of High Prairie Outfitters for his world-class caliber Hungarian partridge and sharp-tailed grouse hunting in southern Saskatchewan. In 2006, we had the opportunity to name Dave Ciani of High Prairie Outfitters as the HuntTheNorth.com Outfitter of the Year. What makes Dave's hunt so unbelievable is his attention to detail for every aspect of the hunt, from the meals and lodging, to the professionally trained retrievers and pointers, to the fact that Dave is actually out scouting for the birds year-round to make sure that all of his private grounds are full of birds, making sure his hunters have an unbelievable hunt on every hunt they go on. Dave only allows one upland bird hunting group in camp each week, so you have his undivided attention. We've had a chance to join Dave on many hunts, and every hunt we've been on with Dave, we've had an unbelievable experience. If you're looking for a world-class caliber upland bird hunting adventure in Saskatchewan, give Dave Ciani a call. Let him know that Dan from HuntTheNorth.com sent you, and for more information, check Dave out on the Saskatchewan Upland Bird Hunting page at HuntTheNorth.com. Here's a bunch of successful photos from Dave Ciani's hunts over the last couple seasons.